I want to say a big thank you to Just Janice and Dave for having me this week. I'll be standing in for art by Julie E. Julie, we really miss you and can't wait for you to return. Here I am, getting right into this video, and I'm mixing my Boowanite and the Boowanite liquid. You can find the full mixing video down below, and hopefully at the very beginning of my video. Perfection here. Oh, you should feel that. I am excited. And I do have just a few little bubbles here, not too many. Not too many at all. And I just need to sand down my bottom just a little bit. But look how gorgeous this is. Look at that. How pretty is that? What a gorgeous, gorgeous. Fast forward 10 days later. I started this a few weeks ago. And this is made from Boowanite. And today I've been waiting for this a while. And this is the Seal and Shine kit from Boowan Nicole. The mold from this is also from Boowan Nicole, and I will put that down below. And I will also give you the discount code from Boowan Nicole, and there is free shipping there. Now, this, I've never used this before. It's the Seal and Shine kit, and it does come with the mica powders. I will not be using their mica powders. I'm going to be using this little piggy in maraschino because I wanted a red van. They do give exact directions on how much gloss sealer and how much of the mica powder to mix together in the kit. Because I was using something different, I had to experiment. In retrospect here, I probably could have just painted this with regular acrylic paint. Lord only knows I have drawers filled of paint. So I finally got the red to the color that I wanted it, and I proceeded to paint the whole van in red. While I was letting this dry, I was watching somebody's video, and it just so happened that a Volkswagen van was in the video. And I realized that the top portion of that van was in white. So I then proceeded to repaint the top portion of my van in white. That's after this part dried.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
So far, I've used this Spectrum Noir in black for my tires along here. And then I've used the chrome around the inside there, and for the door handles and around here.
Just wanna love you, just wanna
it's still a little wet, so I don't want to do anything else just yet. I'm going to take my acrylic pen, paint pen. This is really old. And I'm going to do the windows with that.
I don't know
I'll come back when I'm done with that.
You make me smile. What is it that you do?
And I decided I wanted to have it look a little bit like a sunset in the windows. And I finished painting up the inside of the van and the bottom part. That's what I did here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut out these little punches that I have. I have one in a butterfly and one in a heart. And this is a paint, this was like leftover paint one time, and I used to put it on, I dumped some cardstock into it, and that's what I have here. And I'm just going to make a little punch. Actually, make a punch there. And I'm going to pull that out. And we're going to use that. And we're going to glue that onto our Volkswagen van. I have one here. I have another one over here. And I'll put on the other side. Here's my little butterfly. And I'll put one on this side. And I'll cut out another. These are regular wooden stamps. This is rubber stamp tapestry. A lot of these little ones. And these are little flowers here. And this is a small memento ink that I have. I want you to use this for the top. Make some these flowers are perfect. And I want you to fill the area up here. And this doesn't have to be perfect. Show you how easy it is. Take that whole thing off and start again. That's how simple it is. We are going to seal this at the end. So let me just see that. Let me go down and let me sit down and do this the easy way. I'll be right back. Have a green dye, green ink, and this is a leaf, and I'm going around the top with that. Let's remember this is a planter. And because I love green, we have to have a green peace sign, of course. That little sticker there. And where did I get the stickers? Well, I had these sunglasses from when I went to Let's Make a Deal. And I put these around on my
Take me out to California. Take me out to California.
And here I am sealing this piece up, getting it ready to add any plants that you would like. I took the advice from one of my members to add some plants into this, and you'll see this coming up right now. Look how beautiful this came out. I absolutely love, love, love. All you need is love. Yep, that's what this is. This is a love van, that's for sure. This mold from Boowan Nicole is absolutely gorgeous. And there's my little love in the back window there. And here's my butterfly and peace signs and flowers. And my sunset windows. And here's all the products that I used. Really wasn't much. Didn't take that long to make. And I'll leave a video linked that will show you how easy it is to use the Boowanite with the Boowan Nicole molds. Let me take a moment to thank all my members. You'll find them listed above here and in my description down below. Please take a moment and subscribe to each and every one of them. Some of my products that I did use were from my stash. These were great little stamps that I used here from my card making days. If you are in the Premier Chat, take a look at your neighbor, say hi, and maybe make a friend today. How cool would that be? Make a new friend, have a new subscriber, enjoy the company of different content. You may learn something new today and make a new lifelong friend. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. With love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Till next time. Thank you so much, Just Janice and Dave, for having me this week. It was such a pleasure. If by chance you missed their videos, you will find them linked down below. Please go back and watch these two very talented artists. Have a great week, everyone. Enjoy it to the fullest. Hope to see you Sunday at my regular time. Bye-bye now.